Welcome to Burugupalli Sagar, where life finds a balance between sea and sky. Located in Vizag's most vibrant coastal neighborhood, Sagar Nagar, this is a space where the sound of waves and the stillness of the hills come together in harmony. Here, coastal views stretch beyond the horizon on one side, while lush hillscapes embrace you from the other, creating a home that truly feels alive. As we move ahead into the monsoon season with steady momentum, we are delighted to share the latest update from your future home. Burugupalli Sagar spans across 1.85 acres and offers 223 well-designed 3 BHK homes. With over 70 thoughtfully curated amenities, including a rooftop yoga deck, banquet hall, and skywalk, it offers a lifestyle elevated by design, making it one of the city's most value-rich investments. To maintain clarity, the construction is segregated into two parts, Part 1 being the north portion of the site and Part 2 being the south portion of the construction site. We are happy to report that the construction across both portions of the site is progressing smoothly. In Part 2, the concreting of Slab 4 is currently in progress. Brickwork and plastering up to Stilt 2 have been completed, and work on the first residential level is set to begin within the month. In Part 1, shuttering for Slab 2 is underway. Cellar-level brickwork and plastering have been completed, and the site continues to see swift progress. The east and south compound walls have now been completed and plastered on their external sides, while the west and north compound walls are currently under progress. With favorable weather, these will be completed by the end of the month. We continue to stock up on river sand to prevent delays during the monsoon, ensuring steady timelines and consistent quality. Additionally, we now have a new facade on our on-site sales office, welcoming you with renewed energy and presence. With construction moving forward with care and precision, Burugupalli Sagar is more than just a home. It's a wave of bliss waiting to welcome you. Visit our site today, meet our team, and take the next step towards your elevated coastal life. From all of us at Burugupalli Infrastructures, we look forward to seeing you soon.